Good evening, good evening, good evening, traders, my fellow traders. So, how are you today? How was your day for you? It's really important for me to know. I really hope that it was good. If it wasn't, then please let me know. It's really important because I will help you to figure out everything. All your questions will be answered. So, that's why you have to. Answer. All right. So basically, what is happening at the moment? The market has stopped already. So it doesn't mean that it won't move anywhere. So the thing is that it will move a little bit during the American session. Well, I think that it will start within like half an hour or something like this. So we'll see some moves. I'm not going to participate in them. But what I really want, I want to see some patterns after these moves are finished with a market closure today. So that's something what I really want to know. So, okay, so let's have a brief and very quick look on the market first, and then I actually have to finish something over there. So basically I'm pasting, as you know, every day, every single day, it's 2 or 3 times a day. It depends if I'm covering Asian session or not. Normally not, but sometimes I do, especially on Sunday evening. I do cover it. And I do have a freshly updated levels for the sessions to trade. So for example, as we can see here, well, I've already done something here. So I want to sell, it's Mexican, really want to sell it. And what I'm doing at the moment, I'm just, well, I've already placed these levels. So they have been counted about an hour ago, but I was doing something, you know, it's quite a modern way of saying that I was a bit lazy to put them on the chart. All right, so that's what it is. So I'm expecting this price to bounce on one of these levels now. So the possibility is that we have already triggered this high here, and it is likely that the price will break through this level first and then continue its down movement. So I have been waiting for it for quite a long now. Let me just refresh your mind and tell you why I've been waiting for it. So let's go to 1 week chart. Ooh, can you see how clear it is? Sorry, just a bit messy. All right, so right. No, yes, now you can see it here. We did have a very good reversal pattern. We did have a next candle with a long tail here. Another candle doesn't show us a good up movement. So basically, we might drop down during this week. So what is actually happening here at the moment, as you can see? So just here, you see? All right, so that's what I'm waiting for. Well, basically, I want to play out this pattern. All right, so the target is at least 17.200. So that's the target for this one. And that's something what I want to do. All right, so let me switch back to 15-minute chart. It's a bit more interesting to watch and to see what is happening at the present minute and second. All right, so let me save it. Don't like when it doesn't save. All right, so let me show you the gold as well. So I do really want to buy it. Not sure that it will be bounced back, but the price is still in a range. In case if it will break through this range here, but I don't think that it is going to happen today. I think it's going to happen tomorrow during the crude news. So And that's when I will try to buy it. So of course with a limit order somewhere at the bottom around here or here. Don't think that it will go lower than this level 1321.89. Okay, so that is that's the new levels for gold for now. All right, as we can see, the price is at 1332.81. Let's see what's going to happen here. And let me switch to dollar yen. Nothing has changed that much here. All right, well, it's 25. Have to close it in one place and open it in another place. All right, okay. All right. Okay. Just have to change some settings because, well, normally I'm kind of, yeah, probably I won't be able to, or maybe, who knows. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. All right. God. That's bad. All right. Now, something what I wanted to use doesn't really work here. So maybe, just a second. All right, I just want to place the new lines with you guys here. So that's why I'm waiting till my website is loading, basically. Well, the website is, I'm just using numbers in iCloud. So I'm using Mac for counting all this stuff. And that's why on the Windows computer where I am at the moment, it's a bit different. You know, it's a different story. Excel and numbers, they are almost the same, but they are different. Anyway, all right. So, well, basically, that was my opinion for the yen. I have been expecting the price to continue its up movement towards this level here, 106.75, and then try to sell it around this area here. So now, can't see any setups for now. The only thing is that this is probably a reversal, but I'm not sure because I have to check the levels. Is it around the level or not? So if it is, then possibly yes, possibly we'll have to buy it here with the limit order. Well, we can try actually to do it, but okay. Yeah, it doesn't work the way I need. All right. Let's do it differently then. I guess we don't have a choice. Well, I don't have a choice. Don't really like it, but what can I say? Yeah, I don't like when something like this is happening. Fine. Right, we have dollar yen at the moment. Let me switch to dollar yen and put the levels here. That's basically something what I want to do and to share with you. Okay, guys, so 6209. Ooh. Just a sec. Normally doing it on another computer, so sorry for being kind of delayed a little bit. All right, so that's what it is. We basically broke through this level here, 106.209 already. And the possibility is that we are going to stay below this level. If we are, or we'll have some sort of confirmation on selling confirmation around this level here, then it will be a, 106, 186, a little bit different. This level here, so it might be a bit different story. Yeah, well, just a little bit. So basically bouncing of this level will lead the price lower towards somewhere around here. Okay, let me show you other levels here. So it's this one. All right, so they are very useful. I know that some guys are using, and I'm really kind of happy about it, that people are actually using my work. Well, it's not, as you can see, it's not that easy to kind of copy all the levels because, well, I already have them. I already working with them, but I just don't have it on the chart. So sometimes just work with numbers, you know. All right. And this one here. Okay. All right. So these are actually three levels where the price can actually bounce and continue its up movement. But let me see what my actually system says at the moment. So me personally, I really want to sell it, but the thing is that the system is sometimes telling the truth. I'm joking, of course. Well, it does tell me to buy at the moment, but what it shows actually, it shows me that the price is going up. But when the price is going up, it doesn't say to me buy. Well, I mean, it might be a good buying opportunity here, but the problem is that this area is already below this level here. So in case if it was above this level and somewhere around here, then yes, it would be a very good opportunity. But because we've already kind of cleared all these levels here, one here, so we are probably going to go down now. So that's what it is. So when you know what you are looking for, you will find it. 1 day or 1 hour, you will find it all. All right. So let me check what is here. No, it doesn't really work. So yeah. Okay. Nothing Okay, so 106.83. It takes too much time, to be honest. Quick on Apple. Just didn't want to kind of hold a webinar, but it's not good when it goes like this. So the speed is too low. All right, so what I'm waiting for it here. So the price will possibly bounce off this level here at the moment, or it will continue its up movement somewhere around here. So these three levels are the levels I'm waiting to sell. So the price must kind of touch the level first, and then it has to kind of show me a reversal pattern. All right, so something like this has to happen. Yes, and okay. Let me actually groups iCloud. We'll close it here. So let me actually continue it on my Mac, and I will just try to kind of entertain you somehow. All right, so as you can see, well, my position has been closed at this price here. Well, it was just above this option level, so option level plus spread. Well, basically, these are the, how can I say, forward points. So I'm not using them actually, but there are some forward points basically, and they are making the price closer to real one. So they are kind of adding a spread into it. So I'm just not using, because I don't believe in straight lines in market at all. So I mean, the price is not linear and the market is not linear, nothing is linear there. So the price is always going up and down. It means that there is a certain level of well, let's say mistake or something like this. So what can happen with the price can possibly not reach as we need it any certain level. So it's better to play with areas instead of levels. Okay, so that's some sort of advice I have. Okay. Okay, so let's go a bit further. A bit further, that's euro pound. Well, basically, guys, if you have any questions, I will just quickly run through the charts with you, and we'll tell you in case if we have some, let's say, patterns or something like this here, then I will tell you about it, but it doesn't look so, to be honest. And yes, so all right, so it's dollar yen. You know my view on this one. So the possibility that the price will go down is quite high. So this something like this is possible to happen. So let me Yes, that's what it is basically. Not not a brilliant risk-reward ratio. Don't really like anything like this, to be honest. I would even place it a bit higher here. All right, but something what is possibly going to happen. Okay, so that's what I think about this one. Then let's go further. So it's dollar franc. Well, the dollar franc has reached basically its first destination. The destination was set by the European session. So not the European, but the Asian session. So it's been counted during the Asian session. As you can see, 0.9875 has been reached. It doesn't mean that we have to sell it. We just have to find a better place to buy it. So I do believe that this level here, 0.98407, will be broken down before, or somewhere around here, we'll be able to buy it. So something like this is going to happen. Let's go further. It's dollar CAD. All right, so dollar CAD, the price is going up at the moment. I want to sell it. Why? Because it's been up for a while now. My system is saying to me that the price is going up. So it's not the system, it's the analysis everyone is doing. So the thing is that I do have my own system of doing this analysis. So it's some sort of a checkbox thing, you know. So what it is, lots of different thing I'm watching at, and well, also I'm reviewing the patterns, etc. That's why I'm actually, for now, I'm not going to buy it, only on well, as you can see, this is a target for now, and I can buy it only if there will be a bounce, a clear bounce, something like this. So that was a good area to buy. All right, so something like this must happen. So what do I mean by that is that the price has to go down for roughly the same amount of pips. So something like this has to happen. So for example, now the price has to bounce of this level 1.29789, and then I'll probably buy it. But the thing is that I'll put the new levels soon, and the situation will possibly change. Okay, so let's go a bit further. New Zealand. All right, so it will be a good opportunity to sell it, to be honest, when the price will continue its up movement towards 0.70608 and a bit further, 7075. I would say this level is better. So try to sell it around this level. So just a dough theory, you know, so the dough approach, dough trading approach, something like this. So we do have a trend here, no range at the moment. The price is going up. So it might have a sort of continuation of this correction. So, and we'll sell it here. All right. So that's what that's my kind of raw view on this one. All right. So let's go to pound. Pound is going down. It has already triggered these levels here, very important levels, basically. And what might happen that the price will kind of continue its down movement. I am not trailing it at the moment, so I'm waiting till tomorrow and I'll see what is going to happen. So basically, if the price will be above these lows here, you know, and it will stay here, it means that we'll have another correction up. And the thing is that the Britain is still kind of in Europe, and not everything is still clear. So the possibility that the price will go further up and stay in this kind of range is quite high. I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but the situation might be like this. All right, so let's go to euro dollar. The same situation. The price has reached the short-term targets. Well, unfortunately, I've been only in half of it. So haven't been on the whole way down. So, but that's fine. No. Well, yes, I've been the whole way down, so I can show you. Sorry, I've missed with the pound because I've been short on pound as well, and I've jumped out in the middle, basically. It was very good due to my system, but, well, as you can see here, so I've jumped out just here. So 3 times jumping out. One here, another one here, and the last one over here. All right, so that's what happened to me. Hopefully something like this has happened to you guys as well. So let's go a bit further. Let me show you what is going to happen with euro pound. Well, it does go up at the moment. It's at the target at the moment. So let's see what's going on and what is going to happen later on. So, well, the price might go a bit further up toward this level here, 0.84700, and we might probably sell it around this area. So we'll have a look at kind of higher degree time frame, you know, to see the other possibilities. So what's going on, what will happen, etc., all the price patterns, etc. All right. Let's go a bit further to the last one, this Aussie. What is Aussie telling us? So that's basically something what I told you before. I guess that the price will continue its up movement towards 0.75383. And that's where I'm going to sell it, basically. All right. Well, I guess that's it for now. I'll see you tomorrow in the morning. I'm a bit tired today already, to be honest. I'll see you tomorrow in the morning. If you have any questions, please write me an email, write me to Skype, on comment section, anywhere, you know, so you know how to find me, and I will answer your direct questions. What I mean by that is that I'm not going to answer to the questions, can you please kind of teach me how to do this, how to do this? Well, I can teach you, but all the details about teaching are on the website www.marenno.com, and you can see something there. Of course, well, it will be enough to understand that basically this is my interest, so teaching people and trading. So I'm the actual trader, as I'm showing you. So that's the purpose of showing you all this stuff. So I'm trading with a few brokers, because sometimes you have one terminal here. Well, you can see one terminal here. Sometimes you can see another one. So it's just a few brokers. At the moment, it's free. All right, so guys, I hope that you did enjoy, and if you have any questions, something like, for example, you've read a book, well, if you want me to teach you, I will. It will cost you something. The details are on the website. If you want me to help you, it's a different story. For example, if you read a book and you have a question there, like, well, look, it looks like I have to sell if this and this is happening. Can you please tell me, is it right? Because it seems to be wrong. So then I will tell you what is wrong about it or what is right about it. So this is the questions I mean. All right, guys, so have a good one. And I'll talk to you tomorrow in the morning. All right, bye-bye, guys.